Hello guys, so what we have today is Nintendo Switch Lite. And where is the board? I will get the board. I think that's on another table. Okay. So, and the problem is it's not turning on, no power. And let's see. So the first thing, just will try to explain it to you, you know, how I test. So no power, first thing we have to check if it's charging or not. So we put the plug in here, get the multimeter. So remember, if it's charging, then we should have 3.84 volt on the battery connectors, isn't it? Here. Whereas we have got nothing. So that means it's not even charging. Okay. In this Nintendo Switch HD, Nintendo Switch Lite, mostly either it's the BQ chip, which is located just by the charging connectors. I will show you under the microscope, and let's check, plug it in again, check if we got any volt on BQ chip. So on Nintendo Switch you have to check BQ chip if you have got any volt on the BQ chip, which I'm checking now. Here 0. Okay, nothing. Let's check for the short as well. No short and no voltage. And next thing we have to check is M92T36, which is power management IC. Let's check first of all with the volt. What the hell? Nothing here. Let's check for the short. In that case, let's go back to the charging port, because I have been told charging port is okay, which from here it looks okay, as you can see. Oh no, sorry. Nothing here. That means either but let's check the charging port. Let's check from inside, because I thought I have been told nothing wrong with the charging port, so that's why I started from the BQ chip and power management IC. But let's check charging port inside. What the hell? Do you see? See those two pins? They are bent backwards. From here it looks okay, nothing wrong with it. And here, as you can see, my god. So it is the charging port. and we will replace the charging port and see how it goes. And the charging port for Nintendo Switch Lite and Nintendo Switch HD, they are different, they're both separate. So let's replace the charging port, and then we will check it again if it's charging or turning on. So I have no idea why these manufacturers make independent repair life little bit difficult. So we have got three types of charging ports. One is just Nintendo Switch, and other one is Nintendo Switch OLED, and the next one is Nintendo Switch Lite. So make sure if you are repairing just the Nintendo Switch, that is different charging port. Nintendo Switch OLED is different, Nintendo Switch Lite is different. Okay, so we have this, so we'll take the charging port out, solder it, and then we will test again. So to me it looks like it should turn on now. Before we put it back together, let's check it. If we're getting any charging ports on the battery connector, which before we did not have any. See that? We got 4 volt. Should charge now. Okay. So as you can see now, we have got already 7% charge, so it's all working fine now. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.